let's talk a little bit about why franchising prospers in a down economy. And I think that this is an important point, especially in today's world when we're getting bad news after bad news and bad news. But the fact of the matter is, when it comes to franchising, the number one driver of franchising is unemployment. Because what happens? You lose your job. Well, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go out there and you're going to start trying to find another job. Perhaps you'll do a resume and you'll call up people, you'll network around. But after you've gone through that process and you've networked and you found out that there's no jobs out there, and the unemployment starts to run out, what are you going to do? Well, today we're at record levels of unemployment. We've got a large number of people, 13%, that are underemployed, making less than they used to make. And a lot of other people out there that are looking over their shoulders saying, am I the next one to go? Now, those people are all franchise candidates or franchise prospects. And the bigger that number gets, the more people are going to be inclined to franchise. The second thing that happens in franchising is that franchising is an investment. And so what kind of alternate investments are there out there for franchisees? Well, if you take a look around and you take a look at the alternate investments, not many people want to jump into the stock market right now despite the recent run-up that we've had. Not many people want to go out and buy land or speculate in land anymore, at least not in numbers they used to. So there's a lot of people sitting on the sidelines with some money that are thinking about franchising. Now, the third thing that drives franchising is access to capital. Now, we've had some issues lately relative to access of capital. We haven't been able to access capital quite to the extent that we were able to 2 or 3 years ago when you could buy a franchise with 10% down. But deals are getting done out there. And a lot of the economic stimulus that have been recently introduced are having a pretty profound effect on the ability of people to buy franchises. You know, there's a combination of things that have really started to drive the SBA loan market in particular, in terms of some of the buybacks in the secondary market of the SBA loans, in terms of the increase on the guarantee to 90% on the SBA loan guarantee, in terms of the LIBOR-based pricing that is now available on SBA loans. These types of things are going to drive franchising.
To see how we can help you with your franchising efforts, contact us at 708-957-2300 or visit us at www.ifranchisegroup.com.